You've lived an incredible life. You've had careers, raised families, seen the world. But now, as you settle into a new season, something shifts. Maybe the kids have moved on, retirement is here, or you've moved to a new place. And suddenly, you look around and realize the old social circle just isn't cutting it anymore. If you've ever felt a pang of loneliness or asked yourself, how on earth do I make new friends after 60? Then this video is for you. This isn't just about finding people to fill the time. It's about creating deep, meaningful connections that make this chapter of your life the most vibrant one yet. We're going to break down the exact playbook for building a thriving social life without the awkwardness or the stress. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Stick around until the end because the last tip is the most powerful thing you can do to attract amazing people into your life. Step 1 isn't finding people, it's making yourself findable. We often fall into the trap of waiting for an invitation. That's a mistake. You need to put yourself in the line of fire for connection. First, look to your existing passions. Don't join a club just to make friends. Join a club that revolves around something you genuinely love. Do you love hiking? Join a local trail group. Can you play bridge? Find a league. Are you an artist? Enroll in that pottery class you've always wanted to take. The brilliance here is twofold. A, you're spending time doing something you enjoy, which boosts your mood. And B, everyone in that group already shares a common interest with you. That's the instant icebreaker. Second, volunteer. This is a massive shortcut to connection. When you volunteer, you're instantly working side by side with people toward a common, positive goal. The barriers come down quickly. Plus, people who volunteer are generally empathetic, kind, and excellent friend material. The takeaway, instead of asking, where are the people? Ask, where am I happiest? Go there. The friends will follow. Okay, you're there. You're at the book club or the golf course. Now what? The biggest hurdle is the approach. We worry about sounding silly or being rejected. But remember, most people are secretly hoping someone will talk to them. Forget complex questions. Use the compliment bridge. This is simple. You find something you genuinely like about the other person and use it as a bridge to a deeper conversation. Maybe they have a great jacket. I love that jacket. Where'd you find it? Or they made a great point in the meeting. That was a fascinating perspective on the book. What drew you to that conclusion? Crucially, when they answer, don't just say, thanks. Ask a follow-up question. I'm always looking for new ideas for my garden. How long have you been gardening? This transitions you from a quick compliment to an actual exchange. Next, be the host. Stop waiting for the group leader to plan the next social event. Take the initiative. After your pottery class, say, hey, a few of us are grabbing coffee across the street. Would you like to join? This move is powerful. It shows confidence and it positions you as a connector, someone people want to be around. Most people will appreciate you making the first move. This is where acquaintances turn into friends. The secret here is consistency and vulnerability. First, be consistent. Don't just go to the class once and expect a friendship to bloom. Friendships are built on repeated, positive interactions. Show up regularly. Greet them by name. Check in on them. A true friend is someone who is consistently present. Second, share stories, not just facts. An acquaintance knows you have 2 children. A friend knows that your daughter is a marine biologist who makes you proud every single day. Stop sticking to surface-level facts. A little secret about vulnerability. If you want a genuine friendship, you have to be willing to reveal a small, authentic part of yourself first. Start small. Share a funny blunder from your day. Mention a small fear you have about retirement. This creates a safe space for them to do the same, and that is the moment a connection deepens. We promised you the most powerful secret to making friends after 60, and here it is. It's not a club or a line or a secret handshake. It's this, the friend magnet mindset. Stop thinking, who can make me feel less lonely? And start thinking, Who can I uplift today? Focus all your energy on giving to the relationship. Giving your time, giving a compliment, giving a laugh, giving a listening ear. Happy, positive, engaged people naturally draw others to them. When you show up with genuine enthusiasm for the other person, not just your own needs, you become a magnet for incredible friendships. Go out there, join that group, say that compliment, be the host. This is your time to bloom. What is one step you're going to take this week to make a new connection? Let us know in the comments below. We read every one. If this video helped you, hit the like button so we know to make more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe for your next dose of inspiration.